Maharaja Bhog, the very mention of this restaurant conjures images of an elaborate vegetarian thali. Yes, that's where I am today, to try the elaborate thali with ghee-laden items and of course, lot of variety. 33 items in all. I'm really getting hungry, so let's go. It is a period of Navratri and of course I'm vegetarian. But with a thali like this, who is complaining? An exciting medley of Gujarati and Rajasthani dishes with an elaborate thali at Maharaja Bhog. I'm quite excited to be vegetarian during this phase. So let's see what all there is. Of course, the presentation is absolutely appealing and appetizing and instantly makes you hungry. There is an array of vegetables, dals, curries and lot of Indian breads, rotis, rotlas, parathas, khichdi, rice to choose from. I'm going to try these and tell you in a bit how these are. One can never really go wrong with an aloo paratha. It's one of the basic dishes of Indian cuisine and this one is delicious. What I'm finding very exciting apart from the fulka is the jowar rotla served with a dash of white butter and jaggery. So I'm going to try that. Healthy and tasty. The Rajasthani curry is spicy, tangy and has really set my palate on fire. Of course, compared to this, the Gujarati curry is always a wee bit sweeter but lends that wonderful kind of balance, especially along with khichdi. Who can ever eat a Gujarati or a Rajasthani meal without the traditional farsan? There's an exciting array of farsan here and I'm going to try this dhokla. Soft, spongy, mildly spiced, delicious. A nice, exciting looking preparation of chanas. I think this should be paired with the fulka. I think in India, no vegetarian meal is really complete without paneer or cottage cheese. All of us love it and we love to indulge in it. Very nicely flavored curry for the base of the paneer preparation. And now for some pitla. Lovely textures, crunchy, creamy, spicy. And the besan here is just bhunod or fried or sauteed to the right extent. Absolutely lip smacking. Each dish here is of course delicious. There is a lot to choose from, but most of the dishes strike me as made with fresh ingredients, pure ghee, and I think that's really what contributes to the great quality of this elaborate thali. A medley of flavors, amalgamation of different textures, but of course, this is something that one really never tires from. I think what's really unique about this thali is that it's a combination of Rajasthani and Gujarati dishes, the two states in India which really offer the best vegetarian food. So there are spicy, fiery Rajasthani dishes and slightly sweetish Gujarati dishes which give that right amount of balance to your palate. Absolutely a heavenly meal. Apart from the variety of dishes on my thali, there is this interesting Kesar and Chandan ka sharbat which is supposed to be my welcome drink. Refreshing. And there is chas too as well for those who like something spicy and tangy in the middle of their meal. Having had so many of these dishes, I am now going to keep a little bit of space for the meetha. इतने खाने के बाद थोड़ा मीठा तो बनता है. This is दूधी का हलवा. Yes, लौकी or white gourd that we are talking about, and basundi. I am certainly trying to. Sinful. Swathed in pure ghee, I can actually get the taste of the lauki, of course, and lots of ghee with just the right amount of sweet. Melt in the mouth, creamy, delicious. You can't possibly have a Gujarati thali or any Gujarati meal without having some basundi. Light, I like the texture, but at the same time it's creamy with that milk and that sweet. Sweets made with milk or any dairy products are always delicious. I am truly satiated with the sheer variety of this meal. Ace quality, great variety and impeccable service. I've had a lovely afternoon lunch at Maharaja Bhog. One really needs to have a voracious appetite and be really hungry to come and do justice to this elaborate thali at Maharaja Bhog. Laden with ghee, the food can get a little rich and a bit too much. But if that's your calling, this is the place to be in. If you enjoy watching my food reviews, do subscribe to Minnie's Food Fun.